Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach the topic differentiation. First of all, why we are using this differentiation? So what is the purpose of using differentiation? This differentiation for finding the gradient and for finding the equation of tangent and normal, and also we can use this in integration topic also for finding the areas and volume. This all the things will be considering in this topic. So what is mean by gradient? First of all, see here. Suppose if I am taking curve, I am taking this one line, I am taking what this point is here, that point will be B. A is x1 comma y1 you take. B will be x2 comma y2 you assume. So this x1 and this is x2. Okay. And next, if I am take this is y2 and y1. Now, see here, if I'm drawing a line which is perpendicular to this I'm drawing like this. Okay. Now, actually, what is meant by gradient? Means if a line makes an angle with the x-axis in a positive direction, then the value of tan is nothing but gradient. Okay. Now, this position is how much? This from y2 minus y1 from here to here. This position is y2 minus y1. And this will be x2 minus x1. X2 minus x1. Okay, now this is theta. If you are assuming this also theta only, the slope will be. So actually tan theta formula what it is over here? Opposite by, okay, adjacent. So then the value of tan is nothing but the gradient. So gradient will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It's nothing but change in y. Change in y coordinates by change in x. Change in y, generally when you redefine like this, change difference in y by difference in x. So the gradient of a given curve will be at particular point dy by dx. Okay. Now, if it is, if two lines are parallel means the gradients will be same. If two lines are perpendicular means product of two gradients will be -1. That you know very well over here. Okay. Now, see here. Some differentiation of any differential properties as a first. Differentiation of any constant will be a 0. Why? Because if I'm taking a line, a constant line, so there is no angle between x-axis and this line. There is no angle. Angle is 0. Theta will be 0. Means tan 0 is how much over here? 0. Okay, now there is, so the constant differentiation of this gradient of any constant line will be a 0. Differentiation of the formula d by dx will write like this: d by dx of x to the power of n. The formula is n into x to the power of n minus 1. N can be anything, either positive number, negative number, or rational number, whatever it may be, fraction, whatever it may be. Now see the properties. If you see the properties, d by dx of k into some f of x, any expression is given. F of x is any expression. K is constant, you can send outside. Should differentiate only the function expression. Now d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x. If the expression is given sum of the expression, you can split that. So d by dx of f of x, we should do split the differentiation, and d by dx of g of x. Okay, now this is how we have to simplify the problem by using these properties. Okay, so mainly you have to remember this formula. This constant is 0 and this x power n is equals to n into x power of n minus 1. And also you remember d by dx of x also remember. This will be 1. See, for example, you see here d by dx of x power 4 is there. Actually, x power n formula what it is over here? N into x to the power of n is 4 minus 1. So 4x cube. That's it. Okay. Now we'll see the problems based on this. How can we do? The question is they're asking us to find the dy by dx value at the given point. Point is given. So this x comma y at the given point. After finding differentiation, then you need to substitute. So dy by dx, he has given that this fraction type. Just you split that one. Okay. We have the formula of quotient formula also is there, but the thing is an AS level, we are not going to use this u by v formula. Just I am going for splitting that. 1x cancel means 3 by x. Sorry, this one. y is equals to 3 by x and minus 2 by x square. Now write down. Always x should be in the numerator place. X to the power of minus, and I am writing x to the power of minus 2. This is a y value. Now differentiate dy by dx. dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to, okay, 3 is a constant. You can send outside d by dx of x to the power of minus 1. And 2 is constant. You can send outside. Split the differentiation for both the terms. Now we simplify this. Actually, formula what it is, d by dx of x power n is equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So 3 into n is minus 1, n into x to the power of n minus 1, n is minus 2, n into x to the power of n minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus and minus plus 2 into 2, 4, x to the power of minus 3. It will be minus 3 by x square plus 4 by x cube. Now the point is given over here. What is the point? Point is given at the given point minus 2 comma minus 2. Minus 2 comma minus 2. Okay. Now substitute x is equals to minus 2, y is minus 2. There is no y over here. Only substitute x value. So minus 3 by minus 2 whole square plus 4 by minus 2 whole cube, which is equals to minus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 8. Okay. Now times 1 times 2. LCM is 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 4. So this is how we have to find the gradient of when point is given. Okay. Now see here, the next question, the gradient of the curve at the point where curve crosses the y-axis. If a curve crosses the y-axis means what it is at the point where the curve crosses the y-axis. If it is crossing the y-axis means x coordinate will be 0. If it is crossing like this, x coordinate will be 0. Okay. Now say here, what I am doing over here. First of all, you find the dy by dx. Phi constant outside, d by dx of x square. 8 constant outside, d by dx of x. d by dx of constant. So n into x to the power of n minus 1. X differentiation is 1. Constant is 0. It will be 5 times 2, 10, 10x minus 8. And this is dy by dx. Where curve crosses the y-axis means x coordinate will be 0. Okay now. So find out y value. So no need to find the y value also. They're asking us to find the gradient only. Okay now. Now since the curve crosses the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay now. So x coordinate 0 means 0, 10 into 0 minus 8 is minus 8. Okay. Now what it is over here? Next question. The curve y is equals to ax plus b by x square has gradient is 16 is given when x is 1. Gradient is minus 8 when x equals minus 1. So we need to find a and b values. Okay. There are two equations, two simultaneous equations you will be getting. First of all, you find out dy by dx. Gradient is nothing but dy by dx. So y is equals to ax plus b into x to the power of minus 2. X square I am taking up. X differentiation is 1 plus b into n into x to the power of n minus 1. It will be a minus 2b x cube, x to the power of minus 3. A minus 2b by x cube. Okay. Now, this is dy by dx. Now, see that first condition what it is given, gradient is 16 and when x is equals to 1. dy by dx is equals to 16 when x is equals to 1. Okay, na? So 16 is equals to a into a minus 2b by x is 1 cube. It's nothing but 16 is equals to a minus 2b. Assume this is 1. Okay, next. And second condition, gradient is minus 8 when x is minus 1. Gradient is minus 8 when x is equals to minus 1. Okay, now substitute minus 8 is equals to a minus 2b by minus 1 whole cube means minus 1. So minus 8 is equals to a plus 2b. Assume this is 2. Now you simplify these simultaneous equations, you will be getting a and b values. A minus 2b is equals to 16. A plus 2b is equals to minus 8. 2b gets cancelled. 2a is equals to 8. A will be 4. So a will be 4. Substitute any one of the equation. 4 minus 2b is equals to 16. 2b is equals to minus 12. B is minus 6. So a value is 4 and b value is minus 6. I hope you have understood my explanation clearly. Thank you.